I'm Michael from ParrotWizard.com, and this is Truman. This is Truman's new climbing tree. I built this for him last night. He hasn't seen it before. So we're about to introduce him to his new tree. I built it out of a lot of different perch parts. Instead of getting one complete tree, I custom built this one to fit exactly my location and to make it more fun and interesting with Truman, with interwoven mosaic of branches, but just the right height that he can actually climb around on them and play with the toys. So we're going to get his reaction, and stay tuned because I intend to launch a new product line of affordable parrot trees on ParrotWizard.com. So check back soon, as I'm going to have a new line that you may be able to purchase as well for your bird. Alright, Truman. Look at that! What's that, Truman? Check out your new tree! Wow! Wow, look at that, Truman. What's going on there? Look at all those toys. Truman is so excited about his tree, he doesn't know where to go. He just wants to run around and check everything out. Keely's checking things out too from a distance. She's like, oh, what's going on over there? Keely and Truman sitting in a tree. Keely's going deep undercover.